Hello guys, let's review some school supplies. Crayons, crayons, colors, colors, glue, glue, eraser, eraser, sharpener, sharpener, pencil, pencil, backpack, backpack, ruler, ruler, scissors, scissors, pencil case, pencil case, chair, chair, book, book, desk, desk, desk. Let's review the video again so you can practice all the school supplies. Bye guys.